Hey guys, thank you so much for all the feedback from the video we posted last week on what exactly do you want to see in the year 2020? What would you like to see from me? So first of all, you're going to see a lot of these types of videos with me traveling. This is what I do for a living. I'm always going from one place to another, deliver another message. I do over 20 live events every year, and they take me all over the world. And when I'm not doing a live event, I'm traveling somewhere in many cases because I just love to travel. I spent the first 27 years of my life in New Jersey. Nothing wrong with Jersey, but if you spend 27 years in one location, man, you start itching to get somewhere other than that one location. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. I go all over the world. I love going around the world. So many of these videos where I'm giving you feedback will be from airports. So anyway, most people said they wanted help with mindset and personal development, not so much specific skills. So that's what we're going to focus on, at least until we get feedback with specific questions that you want with help with various skills. But for now, let's talk about this one. I got a bunch of specific questions. The one said something like, you know, I've been in my network marketing company for a while. Everything I built has fallen apart. Somewhat because I didn't follow up and work hard on it, but somewhat because of the noise around me, and I just got demotivated. So now I really want to hit it hard again, but a lot of the people I talked to years ago are now judging me to be a loser. So let's just start off. This is going to be a year where I'm going to talk a lot about criticism. So other people are judging you to be a loser. First of all, that's your assumption. That may not be true at all. Secondly, don't you judge other people to be losers in some area of their life? We are judgmental. I love in the Bible it says, don't judge lest you be judged. It says that for a reason, because our nature is to judge people. So stop judging other people, but more importantly, stop caring what other people think of you. There is one way to get people to judge you is a winner. Go out and kick ass. Tom Brady, you may not like him, but the reason you don't like him is because he wins so much. Alabama football, Nick Saban, you may not like him, but the reason you don't like him is because he wins so much. So let people judge you, but let people judge you. They're going to judge you by your fruits. By your fruits, they shall know you. So it's time for you to stop worrying about what other people are thinking and just go make shit happen, for God's sakes. Go talk to people and talk with some friggin' authority. Don't go and ask and hope and beg people to join you. Why should someone join you? See, it's not your company. It's you that people join. You know, why is it that people in network marketing who have terrible products and ridiculous comp plans are signing people up and building dynasties? Because of them. Listen to this analogy. Your company, your opportunity is a vehicle. Stop showing them what's under the hood of the vehicle. Stop focusing so much on the car and tell them where the vehicle can get them. They don't care the details about the spark plugs. They don't care about what the horsepower is. They want to know where is the vehicle going. They're at a certain place in their life and there's some place they want to get to. So start letting them know that you can help them get to where they want to get to in their lives. Stop focusing on insecurity. Stop being insecure. No one's going to follow someone who's scared and who's afraid and who's insecure. So just stop doing it. I love when people go, can I have 3 steps to that? No, just stop it. You want to stop smoking? Stop buying cigarettes. You want to get in good shape? Stop eating foods that you know you shouldn't be eating. And I know for some people are like, well, that's a little harsh. Yes, I'm so sorry. Being successful requires self-discipline. Sometimes you have to be harsh with yourself in order to be successful. So make a new list and go talk to everyone. My mentor told me years ago, you want to get rich in this business, you got to make things happen. Talk to people. Ask them if they're interested in joining your company. Ask them if they're interested in looking at your product. And don't get discouraged when someone says no, because most of them are going to say no. And they don't say no because of you, and you shouldn't take it personally when they say no. Any successful person in any business knows it's a numbers game, and they know that most of the numbers are going to be no's. So stop being afraid. Stop focusing on negative things. Whatever you focus on expands. Pull your head out. Put on your big boy or big girl panties and go out and kick some ass this year, and then let people judge you as the comeback kid. That's all I got for now. Talk to you soon.